Alright guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is going to be a quick video, and for those who are using Samsung, this is for you. Alright, so if you're using the Samsung Galaxy guys, I'm going to show you how to fix the Type-C USB earphones not being detected on your Samsung Galaxy. Alright, so step number one is that you need to go ahead and turn off USB audio routing on your Samsung Galaxy. So to find this, just go ahead and look for your developer options in the settings, then clear the cache and systems. Now let's do this in a step-by-step guide. So step number one, check developer options. Step number one, open settings, then go to the about phone, then choose software information. Now, for this case, you need to tap on the build number 7 times until you see the option says you are developer or you are in developer mode. After that, go to settings and then scroll down, turn off USB audio routing. Once you do that, you'll have fixed this problem, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.